Okay, so this is the unboxing video for the Urbanears Plattan earphones. So I just cut off the tape here. The packaging is pretty nice. I like the color of this model especially. I like the visual clarity of it. And I like how the texture of the box almost it implies the texture of the actual product, which is very textury. So Mm. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the company is Swedish, so that's pretty cool that they're representing that. And see, I guess they're taking the approach of who needs an actual instruction manual for headphones, right? So might as well use this paper as future marketing for other products. And then even with that, they're just kind of showing the product. I would even go even less artistic and more just product, but in the same kind of visual way. That's what I would do. And it's back to this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So it's just a good product, a good company. There's so much that's good about these. They're comfy. They're relatively inexpensive. I think they retail for about $60 to $70. They fold so that you can put them in your pocket. You can be pretty rough with them, and I think that this comes out too. Yeah, there you go. So that comes out. Mm. Mm-hmm. Over here, that hole at the bottom there actually allows you to put another friend's earphones into that, and then he could listen to your music. So it's just there's little things that it's just a well thought out product, and it's also because it's been a while. I think it's 3-4 years that they're making it, so they've probably done improvements and stuff. So it's whatever. It's cool when this kind of product exists, and because other companies could learn, when there's positive innovation and stuff, other companies feed off it. It brings the whole thing higher. So good job, Urbanears.